from Niranjan. How do you recycle multi-layer hoses containing Santoprene? Multi-layer.
If the multi-layer hoses are made out of polyamide or materials which can be recycled, which can be recyclable, then it is easy to recycle because all these things can be regrinded and then reused. But however, if you have a fiber in between, then we need to take it to a recycling center, and then you will have to separate out these layers, the reinforcement layers, and then do the recycling of inner tube and outer cover of Santoprene separately. So that recycling facility needs to be there, and that is requirement of the future for, especially for a country like India, where we need to segregate, and we should have the proper facility to recycle the parts. Yeah.
You
So,
bring up a good point. Sorry, go ahead.
sorry, yeah. So, Subhi, they want to understand whether we can. I believe my understanding is whether they want to they can co-extrude all the Santoprene layers, or they have to do it one by one. This is what the question is. How do we do multi-layer extrusion in Santoprene TPV?
Okay, so multi-layer extrusion is already done in the industry, in hose industry. We have multi-layer hoses, which includes the polyamide inner tube, and then we do the covering of Santoprene on top of the polyamide, and we also have a binding layer in between, a compatibilizer layer in between, which can bond Santoprene with the inner layer, the polyamide layer. So multi-layer extrusion is simple. We need to have the facility to extrude multi-layer, compounds, and with that, it is possible. So there is no issue, which it is already done in the industry. A lot of fuel tubes are multi-layer tubes.